Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is GenchoMoto, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very simple tutorial on how to replace your tail lights on a Audi A5. The method is exactly the same for A4, and whatever the reason that may be for you wanting to replace your tail lights, it is up to you. Without further ado, let's go. For our particular reason on why we're replacing it is because there was a lamppost in our way, but most people would want to remove it so they can put their running indicators. So first thing what you want to do is you would want to remove that cover, and that will pull down just as it is. It is exactly the same for the other side. The next thing on the list, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to be removing this pin over here. What you want to do is you want to stick the screwdriver into the bottom of the hole and just simply twist it. Twist it a few times until you're able to do it by hand. And that is your tail light holder out. So what we want to do now is just slide out the tail light. So let's do that quickly. When you pry it open, all you have to do is just slide it out, twist it this way, and then what we're gonna need is again a flathead screwdriver just to remove obviously the looming out. There we go. And now the tail light is out. We can send this one to the bin now, and then we can insert the new one, well, second-hand new one. What I want to mention is also, if you want to do your running lights, you have to remove it again, and there is like a green connection cable that goes in on eBay. It's about 20 quid. You connect it to this plug, and then the other side of it you connect it to the plug of the vehicle, and that's how you get your running lights. But let's install that in, and it's basically getting like simple as it is. It doesn't get any more simpler than this. 5 minutes, not even that. All you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, so not really any tools required. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Peace.